it just smells so good. I'm pretty excited about that. So that still leaves one available spot.
Pizza.
House is a disaster, and I just cleaned it the other day. Mark your calendars. January 7th is when I'm gonna talk to you guys about what I'm doing. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 21. We're flying through Vlogmas. Also, please don't mind my hair. I have it in a wrap because I'm going to make the biscuits and gravy casserole for family Christmas this morning, and then while it's in the oven baking, I'm going to go dry my hair. So that is why you're getting this lovely look this morning. But I wanted to kind of show you guys how I make biscuits and gravy casserole. Okay, so here are the things that you're gonna need. You need some pork sausage. The recipe calls for just one of these, but I'm making 2 pans. So I've got my 2 pans here. So I have 2 of these, but if you're just making one batch, you just need one. And then you normally just need 1 of these, but obviously, like I said, we're doing 2. You're gonna need butter, salt, pepper, flour, and some milk. So obviously, this is not paleo. I will not be eating this today, unfortunately, but it is so good. So the first thing that you do is you brown your sausage. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and brown both at the same time, and then I'm going to divide them between these 2 pans and then make the gravy, and then you top it with the biscuits. It's a pretty easy recipe, so I'm gonna try to show you guys most of what I'm doing for this. Okay guys, the biscuits and gravy casserole is out of the oven. It looks so good and it smells so good, and I might have to have just a little tiny bit. I don't think I will, but it just smells so good. I want to, but I don't think it's wise because then I'll just want to eat it all day, you know? So anyway, I'm going to cover it with saran wrap and foil to keep it warm. I actually have a lid for 1 pan, but I'm afraid it's like gonna smush them, so I don't want to do that. So saran wrap and foil it is for these. Then I real quickly have to re-saran wrap the fudge that's on top, and then I'm gonna put it in the containers. But I put it like this because I wanted to make sure that it was like set up and everything, and it didn't melt into everything else last night. So I just like put it in the fridge like this, and so yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully everybody loves their treats. And then James has finished wrapping all the presents. This house is a disaster, and I just cleaned it the other day, and this is the kind of stuff that drives me crazy, because it's like you clean the whole house and then it looks like crazy, and we don't even have kids, so we can't even use the excuse that the kids like messed up the house. This is all us. Like, this was all James, this is all me, and I'm just like, ugh. But it's okay. I know James will help me get the house back together after family Christmas. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get all that stuff done, taken care of, and then we're gonna go to family Christmas. Okay guys, we're back from family Christmas. It is almost 3:40. And I'm kind of tired. I kind of just want to like sit and do nothing. But I just want to update you guys. We're back home. I'll show you guys what I got for Christmas in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm back. It has been a super chill, relaxing afternoon after a family Christmas. We just kind of were like, ugh. Like we just need to like sit and chill for a little bit. So James played video games. I edited the vlog for tomorrow because I had not gotten that done. I'm a little behind on editing. And we also went to Hobby Lobby to get white vinyl for my family gifts that I'm giving to my family. Needed white vinyl for the Christmas presents that I'm making for my family. So, and all of that stuff showed up today, so I can officially start making their Christmas presents. And I'm gonna try to film it. I've gotta look at the schedule because I don't wanna film it and put it up and have them see it before I'm actually able to give it to them. So I've gotta figure out when to get that done and be able to put it up, because I don't, like, I have to have a video every day because it's Vlogmas, but I'm like, I've got to make sure that they don't see their Christmas presents before I have a chance to give it to them. So anyway, but all that rambling, I decided that I realized that I had not shown you guys what I got for Christmas. So we do like the name drawing sort of situation because there's a lot of people in his family. So we each draw a name and we buy for that person, and then we also buy for like our niece and nephews. So James's mom had my name and she got me 2 cookbooks. I'm so excited. They're both like Whole30. Like this one's Whole30 endorsed, but I don't think it's all Whole30. I think there's like when I was looking through here, I'm pretty sure maybe it wasn't this one, but it like says on here, there was one of them. Oh yeah, here we go. So it'll say like paleo, grain-free, like it'll tell you all the different things. So they're not all like Whole30. I think it'll like say specifically if it's Whole30 or not. I don't know. But anyway, I'm very, very excited because I've had this on my list for quite a while. And I just was like, I don't need another cookbook. I think I have like 4 or 5 like Whole30 or Whole30 like inspired cookbooks. And I was like, I don't need another one. But I need them all, especially now because I'm doing a lifestyle, whereas before it was always just a 30-day challenge and I never like got it to stick. But now that it's a lifestyle, like the Whole30 is not a lifestyle, but paleo is a lifestyle, and Whole30 is just a more restricted version of paleo. So I can still like eat all, I mean, I could still eat these things anyway, but I just never went to my cookbook to do that if I wasn't doing a Whole30, because I was like, we just need quick and easy, like, you know, it was really bad with my diet. Anyway, and the other one that she got for me is this one, and it's the Whole30 Friends and Family. And I remember when this one came out, I saw it at Target and I told James, oh, we need to get this. And then I was like, no, I don't need it right now. And I put it back down and I didn't get it. And then I was just like, I should have gotten it. So I had it in the Amazon cart and like the saved for later, because I was always just like, I don't need it right now. I don't need it right now. Actually, I had this one in there too. And I think I have another one. And so I'm pretty excited because now I can take it out of the Amazon cart because now we have it. And this stuff looks so good. There was a recipe for, what was it, James? Buffalo chicken burgers? Patties. Buffalo chicken patties. And if you guys know anything about me, I love buffalo chicken. So I'm like all ready to try that. So anyway, that is what I got for Christmas, these 2 cookbooks, and I'm very, very excited about it to add to my cookbook collection. Yeah, that's basically been our day. We've just been sitting on the couch working on some stuff that I'm going to share with you guys. Mark your calendars. January 7th is when I'm going to talk to you guys about what I'm doing. I'm very excited. So I've been working on that because there's a lot of back end stuff that I have to do before I can actually announce it to you guys, and then before it can actually happen. So I've been working on that. James was helping me with that. We got a lot of things checked off, so that's good. And other than that, James was playing video games earlier. I edited the vlog for tomorrow. I may have already said that. I don't know. I feel like I'm just so rambly. But that's what's been going on. My house, our house, is a complete disaster. But James said we are going to clean it up tomorrow. He said we won't worry about that today. we'll clean it up tomorrow, but oh my goodness, guys, I'm like, I just cleaned the whole house on Thursday and it's Saturday and it looks pretty rough. But I know it's just because we did all the baking and we wrapped presents out here, and so I know why it's a mess, but I'm just like, I don't like it when it's so crazy. So anyway, yeah, that's what's going on. Advent time is coming to town. Advent time is coming to town. Advent time is coming to town. It's time for Advent time. A red one.
See what matcha we're gonna get.
Candy cane, candy cane. Be the candy cane. Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Well, it's still exciting.
Let's see what Nespresso we're gonna get.
Master Origins, Mexico.
Master.
All right.
Who do you think it's gonna be today?
Still gonna go with Kelly. I feel like she'll appear before Ryan.
I'm gonna go with.
There's been no girls on this row.
I'm gonna go with Erin.
Okay, let's see. It's probably gonna be something goofy.
Like those that we got yesterday.
Probably.
Who is it?
It's not anyone we guessed. It's what is it? Dwight's
Oh, it's Belschnickel.
Belschnickel. Yeah, that's funny. I knew Dwight was gonna have like a funny.
I was trying to figure out what Dwight's like funny thing would be. Belschnickel, that's good.
All right. So we're still waiting for Erin, Creed, Kelly, and Ryan.
6 days to go. Hopefully they show up.
This is crazy. Like, I would have thought they would have been earlier in the countdown. So I'm guessing that there's still going to be Creed, Ryan, Kelly, Erin, and there's going to be Classy Santa for day 24. That's my guess for day 24. So that still leaves one available spot.
For another, well, I guess probably not another funny Michael, because I would end up with like 4 for him.
Maybe it's going to be Holly. I feel like Holly needs to be in there. I feel like she was a big part of Michael's stories. I don't know. That's my guess. Question of the day. Let me know your favorite food, because we love food around here. Let me know your favorite food. I think mine would probably be sushi or maybe spaghetti. I don't know. I like a lot of food.
Pizza, pizza.
All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up Vlogmas day 20, I think is what we're on. So we're gonna wrap up the vlog here.
Yesterday was 21.
I don't know. I'm getting really confused. But we're gonna wrap up the vlog for today. We hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Catch you
Bye,
on the
guys.
flippity flop.
Every day, every day.